Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. It is Motivational Monday. Today you will glow when you show what you know. So that means that as you're working hard in class and you're doing your best, you will glow and you will be proud of yourself when you show what you know and all you have learned. This may be for those taking our ACAP test today or just you learning in the classroom. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we will be having breakfast and for lunch a sub sandwich. Tomorrow we will also have breakfast and for lunch we'll have a chicken bites. Our birthday today is Layla Whitney. Happy birthday to Layla. This weekend we also had a bunch of birthdays. Cameron Reed, Keelan Irvin, Kaylee Moore. And we had two teacher birthdays on the 21st, which all of these people are on the 21st. Miss Curd and Miss Stowe both celebrated their birthdays this weekend. So tell Layla happy birthday and be sure to tell these weekend happy birthdays and tell Miss Curd and Miss Stowe happy 21st birthday. Today's announcements. Our third grade remote learners will be in the building this morning to test. Please remember to be quiet near the computer lab and the collab lab. Teachers, this is very important. Please spend your money. Your allocation money is available to you, and this money is to be spent during the current school year, so make sure you are buying cool things for your classroom. If you are having trouble thinking of things that you need for your classroom, you just let me know, and I can tell you some things that I need. Happy spending. Late duty this week. Today is Miss Overstreet. Tomorrow is Miss Heichman. Later on this week, Bolton, Hogan, and White. We are still in our ACAP testing window. March 24th, we're going to have PST during extended PE. March 26th is the end of our third quarter. And March 29th, grades are due into the system so we can get out report cards. April 5th through the 9th is spring break. The 16th, there are going to be spring pictures, and April 30th is going to be the grand finale of the ACAP summative. We have our ACAP PEP partners. Last week, we cheered on second grade. Pre-K and Overstreet cheered on second grade as they were testing. This week, we have third and fourth grade testing. Third grade's partner is kindergarten, and fourth grade's partner is first grade. Next week and beyond, fifth grade will be testing later, and their partner is second grade. So cheer on those partners. Make them a poster cheering them on, or something to hang on their door, or make them a card or something, just to give them a little bit of encouragement. You might can even make them a little video and send it to them, a little cheer you did for them. Can't wait to see what you're going to do. AR superstars from last week that have met their quarter goal. Miss Bernalino's class, Johnny Ramos. Miss Bolton's class, Harmony Brown, Aiden Mitchell, and Ashlyn Holmes. Miss Bowers' class, Justin Geitz, Kamani Thomas, and Skylin Wilson. Miss Cunningham's class, Jason Woodard. Miss Curd's class, Justice Douglas and Lucas. Miss Hamlin's class, Raylan Miller. Miss Lee's class, Morgan Price and Pierce and Marion Pugh. Miss Peralta's class, London Knock and Nico Yulin. Miss Washam's class, Gabriel Spillers, and Miss Wolf's class, Layla Gear. The top circulating class is Miss Bertolino's class. They're checking out books like crazy, and the top student that's checking out books is Alante Harris in Miss Langford's class. Apparently he's on a streak, so he's the one to beat, guys. So, talking about iReady from last week, our lesson leaders in kindergarten, we have reading Hayden Stewart and math Harrison Jones. Good job. First grade reading is going to go to Ayrton Adams, and math is Amari Daniels. Good job, fellas. Wow, all boys so far. Girls in kindergarten and first grade. What y'all doing down there? Come on now. Second grade reading Joshua Slack and math Tyshawn Malone. Third grade reading, Aretha Brooks. Math, Connor Mumford. Good job, Aretha, representing for the ladies out there. Fourth grade, Zalante Hollins in reading and Colin Mullins in math. And fifth grade, Isabella Highsmith for reading and Zaquavian Thomas for math. Okay, ladies, we only had two girls on the top spot. Okay, we can't let those boys win everything. So work hard this week. iReady time leaders for kindergarten, it was Miss Waller with 100%. For first grade, Shaver with 89%. Second grade, Miss Granger with 100%. Third grade, Miss Bertolino with 77%. Fourth grade, Miss Wolf at 82%. And fifth grade, Miss Barnes at 83%. So these are our iReady queens for last week. Good job to those classes for working so hard to make their teacher the queen. Great job, everybody. We have a shout out to Miss Shaver. She was recognized by Miss Duberg and the other first grade teachers for checking out the robots to do a fun activity with the students. They loved getting the opportunity to drive the robots. It was a fun time. I got to go down and hang out with them in the hall a little bit. Awesome job. The robots are also available for your class. So see Miss Gibbs if you would like to have a little robot fun. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.